U.S. spot crypto ETFs saw strong inflows on Wednesday, JPMorgan says. Both Ether and Bitcoin products saw net inflows despite a drop in underlying asset prices. The report said, U.S.-listed spot crypto exchange-traded funds, ETFs, saw strong net inflows Wednesday, with both Ether ETH $653.06 and Bitcoin BTC $105.891.15 products continuing to draw investor interest despite declines in underlying asset prices. Investment bank JPMorgan, JPM, said. U.S. spot Ether ETFs logged an estimated $84 million in net inflows on May 28, as investor interest held firm even with Ether falling 1.3%. The bank said in a report published on Thursday. Leading the pack was BlackRock's iShares Ethereum Trust, ETHA, which brought in $52 million, followed by Fidelity's Ethereum Fund, FETH, with $26 million. Grayscale's mini ETH Trust and Invesco/Galaxy's QETH added $5 million and $2 million, respectively, the bank noted. Notably, Ether ETFs recorded a notional trading volume of $459 million, well above their post-launch daily average of approximately $375 million since debuting in July 2024, the bank observed. Meanwhile, spot Bitcoin ETFs brought in an estimated $431 million in net inflows, JPMorgan said, largely powered by BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, which alone saw $479 million in new investment. The strong inflow was partially offset by redemptions from ARK21 Shares Bitcoin ETF, ARKB. The bank noted, which shed $34 million, and Fidelity's FBTC, which recorded $14 million in outflows. Despite Bitcoin's 2.1% drop in price, total trading volumes remained elevated, clocking in at $3.5 billion, compared to the group's historical average of $2.8 billion per day since launching in January 2024, the report added. Investors are moving from gold to Bitcoin ETFs. According to a Thursday report by Bloomberg, U.S. Bitcoin ETFs have seen $9 billion in inflows over the last 5 weeks versus $2.8 billion in outflows for gold-backed funds. Read more. Bitcoin spot ETFs pull in $5.77 billion in May, their best performance since November. Will Canny is an experienced market reporter with a demonstrated history of working in the financial services industry. He's now covering the crypto beat as a finance reporter at CoinDesk. He owns more than $1,000 of SOL. AI Boost indicates a generative text tool, typically an AI chatbot, contributed to the article. In each and every case, the article was edited, fact-checked, and published by a human. Read more about CoinDesk's AI policy.